Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you YouTube thumbnail strategies. So here are one of the best strategies used by huge and successful influencers, YouTubers. So let's start. We have three main strategies. First off is using faces, as if you put faces in your thumbnails, this will gain more attention and clicks, so more views. Another strategy is using numbers, especially for productive videos and tutorials. Using numbers will attract the viewers before they even click on the video. For example, if you put before or after and even increasing numbers, this will attract the viewer's attention before even clicking. So they will think that you will help them grow to a specific number or even half of this number. Another method is using borders. Okay, this might be helpful in some cases as it might attract people's attention when scrolling or in the suggested corner, as the borders, especially colors like red and another attracting colors, will grab people's attention and make them click on your videos instead of others. That's it, and here are some examples using faces and the numbers. So guys, if you want to check my channel, I do loads and loads of tutorials and videos, and if you can help by subscribing. Thank you and see you next time.